Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm back down here in the basement looking at my tomato plants, and I'm doing a little bit of transplanting, taking them out of the trays and putting them in these little red solo cups. Take a look here what I've done so far. Definitely nothing fancy, just putting them, taking them out of that, sticking them in the cups, and I'm just writing on there with a Sharpie what they are. I've got a few more of the delicious, and then the Roma's left. I kind of didn't take real good care of these, and a lot of them died. You can see that I'm not even going to mess with these because they're not going to make it. That one there probably not going to make it either. Let me turn this different colored light out. You can see that one. I don't know if it's worth trying or not, but these, they look pretty good. They'll make it. They're tough. You can handle them pretty rough, and they'll still be okay. And what I'm doing here, I don't have these labeled yet. I'm just taking these cups and popping a couple of holes in the bottom. I'm just stacking them up like so. I don't know, 7 or 8 of them. Taking this drill chuck and a drill bit and just doing it by hand, running it up in there. I wish I had somewhere to put this phone and I would show y'all. Still don't have my tripod out here. It's still out in the building. But this is a mess. It's not a convenient place to do it, but it's doable. And that's what I'm trying to show here. Is just what you can do in a little bit of space. And it is messy, so if you're in a kitchen or somewhere, you're gonna make your wife mad by making a mess like this, because you get it in the floor and you get it on the table. You can see that water down in there. It's ran out of the bottom of the cups. I got these styrofoam lids that I keep my dirt in them. My son brought them home from school. He had a bunch of them, and I think my wife threw most of them away because they were just, we kind of laughed at him when he brought them. But now I wish we'd have kept all of them because they're really handy. But let me do a couple of these and see. You don't have to be real careful with these plants. Just get them by the top. If you get them by the stalk or whatever you call it, the stem, and pinch it, you'll kill it. But if you get it by the top, just like so, and just pull that root out, they're pretty tough. That didn't hurt a bit. I got this black dirt here that I'm planting them back into. This here's just that seed starting stuff. I don't think that'd do very good in it. But let me set my camera up here and try to get a video of how I do this. Before I do that, I'm just gonna write on here that I'm working on the delicious now. So I'm just gonna take this Sharpie. Delicious, okay. Now, just take the cup over here, get me a good scoop of dirt in it, like so. Go about even with the top. It don't have to be perfect. Bring it back over here. Now, just take my finger, any finger really, trap a hole down in it, like so. Even your thumb would work. Now, I don't know if you can see, you got a good hole in there. Now you take the plant like so. Now just drop it right down in there. Cover it back up. Get my camera pointing in the right direction. Now, that's all there is to it. Put just a little bit of water. It don't take much the first few days. I'll have to find somewhere else to do this because that's wood. It'll definitely soak in that and ruin it. But there, I mean, that's all there are to it. Just make sure you got them labeled right. And, you know, this light right here now, I got this off Amazon. It's a, I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know the brand name, but I still don't know it. But it's really bright. I think it's 1,000 watts. Let me turn it on here. It's got fans on it. And then it's really bright light. I don't know how good it's going to show up, but it'll give these plenty of light. I'm going to turn it back off because it'll blind you. So I'm going to finish these. There are not many left. And then I'm going to do some onions.